Today we will learn how to blur sensitive information. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the car video and I will blur in these specific areas. First I will duplicate the layer, press Alt on this keyboard and duplicate it. Select the duplicate layer and go to the effect and search Gaussian blur. Apply this effect on this top of the layer. Here you can see the Gaussian blur effect. I will select the pen tool and mask it of this area. Double click it to zoom in and mask it. The masking is done. To zoom out the screen, double click it and go to the Gaussian blur effect. Increase the Gaussian blur value like 100% and turn on the stopwatch icon to max path and play this effect to tracking processing extrude. Now if I play this video, you will see the effect perfectly working. To learn more amazing video editing tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.